then, look, we've got a tree here, a little tree. We've got a massive tree we planted years ago. So the lads are going to plant this tree and hopefully we'll have another massive Christmas tree. Anything you want to add?
No, not really.
Thank you. All right, off you go. Okay.
This is how big our
Nice. So we are coming over here. We're trying to collect some heavy organic material. Why are we doing that?
To put on here
Yeah.
to steady it out.
To steady it out. So this bird table keeps falling over, doesn't it?
Yep.
So we are putting some heavy stuff around the bottom, just so that when it's windy, it's not going to fall over again. We're going to need a lot more than that, but we're getting there, aren't we? Well done, boys. Now over here, we are collecting leaves, and we've got a massive pile of leaves, and it's going to go in our leaf mould cage. Well done. Now then.
This book is not like a smiley face here.
I can't imagine who would have done that. Who would have been so infantile to have put a smiley face on it?
Can you still see it's a smiley face?
Yeah.
Oh, you can. From when when someone painted it on there ages ago.
Yeah.
Oh, Jude's doing a good job here. We are repairing the roof, just like we put some new felt up there, giving it a new lease of life. And which teacher are you imagining as you hammer this in? Can you say for the video?
No.
No, I think that's very wise. Well done. Keep going. Oh, here's the progress, look. Digging a hole. Well done, lads. Anyone want to say anything?
Yeah, this is a massive achievement.
It is a massive achievement.
Like I mean.
You're doing so well.
Like you mean like the low to the thing? No.
Can you remember why we're digging a square hole?
Because if you dig a circle hole,
Yeah.
then the roots will carry on going in a circle rather than spreading out.
Okay, yeah, because they're used to growing in a circle, aren't they, in that pot? So this makes them go, space, and they just spread out.
Yeah.
Well done.
Space.
So, as you can see, there's a lot more stuff around the bottom of the bird table. Hopefully that will now not fall over. Okay, so we are looking at the potatoes that we are digging. We've got a nice board down that we can stand on. We've already done one row. We're doing another row here. Where are the potatoes? There we are.
Sir,
I think, yeah.
there's a leak
What?
in the shed.
What?
There's a leak in the shed.
Go on, show me. A leak in the shed?
Oh my God.
Oh, no.
There's a leak.
Oh, we're going to have to sort this out. Not a leak in the shed.
There's a leak.
Right, where is it? Where is it? Oh, my goodness. Hilarious. Hilarious. What's this we're sprinkling? Oh, grow more. Here we go. My guess is that this is going to help it to grow more, I would think. Yes? Hello.
Got it.
Nice. We really want to make sure it does grow more. Look at that hand action, he's an expert. Look at this. Oh yes, different technique there. Is it potato time?
So, 5 in each row like you did before.
This is our Christmas tree that you helped to plant, didn't you?
Yes.
And now we're giving it a nice water just to make sure it's looking all right. It's looking okay. Give it plenty of water there. Oh look, we've got our rubbish collectors. Hello over there. We're going for row number 3 and row number 2. The grand placement of the potatoes has commenced. Who's got the last potato?
Me.
Okay, here we go. Potato placement complete. What are we going to do now then? Ah.
That looks a bit too close.
Just move it in a tiny bit so it's not right in the edge. Lovely. So to start with, use a spade and just let the soil go down gently so the potatoes don't fall over. Once you've got them covered over a little bit, we can use the hoe.
Okay, so what have you been up to?
So we've been picking lavender
Yeah.
and we picked some little flowers.
Let's have a look. Ooh, nice. Who's that one for?
That one's for Miss Vernon.
Which Miss Vernon?
Science.
Science Miss Vernon. Sorry, English Miss Vernon. Yeah, next one.
Then that's for Miss Gamble.
Oh, yes.
There's a few for Miss Gamble.
Mr.
Miss
Walker
Gamble.
says good job. Yeah. Oh, Miss Gamble's popular.
Then
Yeah.
there's Mr. Naylor.
Mr. Naylor. Nice.
And then I'm not sure who that one's for. I think that's just a spare. So
Spare one. So we can decide.
And
Yeah.
then Mr. Naylor again.
Oh, in this popularity contest, we
Yeah.
have some clear winners there. Very good. And just show me. Go and take us over to where you got this lavender from, so we can have a look.
So
Yeah.
we've just been picking like that, and then we put it in a little bag.
Yeah.
Like that, and then yeah.
Very nice. Thank you very much. Well done. Nice. So we're lightly covering the potatoes. And then once we've lightly covered them, we can push everything else back onto it. Very good. Look at that. We're repairing the scarecrow. Now tell me, who are you imagining right now? I don't know. He's not going to tell us. Very diplomatic answer. Very good. Look at that. And the scarecrow, who's looking very happy, is sunbathing at the moment, is going to go onto there. We've uncovered the bed. We've got lots of anthills. We've got one here. We've got lots of little ones there. And then we've got some bigger ones. And some other ones. We've got all sorts of ants here. And they've gone mad, so we've uncovered their home. They're going to hide everything. It'll move in a minute, bud. Oh, look, there's our fat rabbit. Keeps eating all the vegetables. Where are you going to go, rabbit? Where are you going to go? Is it escaping through there? Where's it gone? Oh, it did. That's where it's getting out. Aha. Let's see you get through that then. Yeah, look at that. One more brick. Yes. Hang on. Look. I bet it's sneaky. Oh. What am I gonna do? Another piece of wood there. Right. Okay, what do you want to show me?
We found something in the shed.
Right, go for it.
It's very interesting.
Okay. It's up here, let's have a little look. Oh, right.
Today we have found a beeswax, a wasp's nest.
A wasp's nest, I'll go right in there and have a look. Anything living in there, do you think?
No, hopefully not.
Hopefully not, no. But I think we'll leave it there because wasps never return to the nest. So once they've used it and they've gone, it's going to stay there forever. It might be, I mean, if it's bees, they would come back. But we'll see. Well, interesting stuff.
Yeah.
Right, now you're looking for trowels, aren't you?
Yeah.
Can you find them?
Yeah.
And then what are you going to do over in your corner of the garden?
We're planting seeds.
You are planting seeds.
Yeah.
Right, off we go, seed planters. Away! So here are our potatoes from last week. We can't see them, they're underground, but this section's finished. And we are putting in more potatoes here. Our second early potatoes. That means the potatoes that go in a little bit later than the first earlies, which go here. Well done, boys, you are doing so well. Nice work there. Cleaning off all of that. Very good.
We've watered these strawberries, but the strawberries in the middle we've just need to water.
All right, yeah. So you've just put these in, haven't you?
Yeah.
These are going to be huge when it gets to summer.
Hopefully.
Yeah, I like that. Good work, boys. Tell me what you're doing then. We're just weeding the greenhouse.
And getting all like the green stuff out.
Okay. Are you just checking if there's anything in there?
Yeah.
I think you've done that bit. This bit though is still full of green over here. This is a good bit to do. And what are we doing over here with the nets?
Catching little pigeons.
We're not catching pigeons. What kinds of nets are they? Are they for the air or for water? They are for water. So we're going to need some wellies on if we're going to go down in the water with those nets. What you found?
Bugs there.
Bugs there. What is it?
I don't know.
What
There's
did we?
a spider there as well.
There is a spider, yeah, and there's an ant. What did we say that was? We did that inside. That creature with a hard shell and 14 legs.
Remember it. Millipede.
Not quite. It's a crustacean. It's called a wood. Oh, close. Wood louse. We call them wood louses. Or wood lice, I should say.
Centipede.
Oh, yes, look, you've well remembered. And see how they move a lot faster than the millipedes?
Yeah.
Why do they move fast?
Cats.
Yes, excellent. What are you up to? What are you doing, Brad?
Cutting.
Cutting? Why are you cutting?
So we're gonna make a new one.
We're going to make a new frame, aren't we?
Yeah.
For sweet peas. And we're weeding this bed. Excellent. Well, now we can see the potato beds absolutely full a number of weeks after the early eclipse. This bed is full. There, we've still got a bit of the scarecrow left. And this bed is full of potatoes as well. We now have quite a few raspberries, which is also very good. We've got lots of onions here that people have planted and a number of flowers, although the flowers haven't come to full fruition yet. But just behind me, we've got some more onions. Those who worked on the greenhouse have done a good job, because now we've got a variety of tomatoes at this end and some other smaller plants at that end too. This middle section of tyres is looking really good with sweet peas and lots of lovely lavender, which the bees love too. Over here we've covered our berry bushes so the birds can't get the fruit from the blackcurrants and the cranberries, and we have got some rather nice looking cherries and some apples over here, and even some pears on this tree. And I have to say that cherry was rather nice. The strawberries that you saw in the clip earlier are getting on quite nicely, and we have had some strawberries from them, but a lot of them have been eaten by little creatures, and we've even got some poppies growing there too. And if we swing around this way, our flower beds are doing nicely. Lots of flowers for teachers that we can give out soon. And here's the new cage that we built for our sweet peas. So we're doing very nicely. And indeed, just here we can see something else edible. We've got quite a lovely flower here, and you can pick these borage flowers off and you can eat them. And naturally they do taste quite nice, a little bit like floral cucumbers. So if you see borage flowers, they're lovely and edible. Well, there we go. There's a look at our wonderfully fruitful garden after all the work that we saw in the previous clips.